Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here using the new e.l.f. Cosmetics Retro Paradise collection. So if you want to know how the products apply and what I think of them, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the video. I'm going to start with the eyeshadow palette. This is it right here. I hope you can see it. I'm going to open it now. Look at how beautiful that is. This retails for $14 and it has shimmer shades and matte shades. Today I'm going to focus on the blue shades right here and the purple one. So first I'm going to start off with Royal. And I'm going to start with the little brush. This is the Morphe M506. So today I'm going to create a cut crease. I'm not going to do a halo, so I could extend my eyeshadow all out. So first I'm going to pack it on with this brush. It is looking good. Hopefully it's not patchy. I haven't seen any reviews, so I'm going in with a surprise. Now I'm going to take the purple shade and it's called Tropicana. This one right here. Hopefully it looks good. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush. You can barely see it. I'm going to pack it on even more. I wasn't going to set the eyeshadow base just to see how it would look, but I did set it and you can't really see the colors. I'm probably not gonna set it on the other eye just so you guys can see the difference. Let's see. Now I'm gonna go back to the blue shade and start putting on more because it got blended away. I mean, it looks good. Okay, I am gonna clean up the under eye. And now I'm gonna take the P. Louise space once again and just cut the crease. Let me just do that real quick. And I'm going to use a flat brush. I have this new set from Morphe, and this is a flat brush. So now I'm gonna start cutting. So now I'm going to take the shade called Sip Sip and I'm going to take it with my finger first and then a brush. But your finger is your best friend. I think it packs on more. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that. It's pretty. I am obsessed. I'm going to clean my under eye with a wipe just to see how it's looking. Pretty. And now I'm gonna take another flat brush, but it's a little bit fluffier. This one here, it doesn't have a name. It's just a flat brush. And I'm going to take that on the edge and just spray it a little bit. I'm going to spray it with the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. This one came in a little package as well, along with two little hair ties, and I have one on here. I have the purple one on. So that is going to go on the edge. Obsessed, you guys. This is so pretty. So I just blend it all the way to the edge. And then I'm going to go back with that first brush that I used, the M506 with the shade Royal. And I'm going to blend out the edge. Like so. I'm going to do the other side off camera, and then I'll do the lashes, which are these lashes in True Honey by Oh Honey Lashes. I'm going to use those, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the face oil, the primer, and then I'll show you guys the lips as well. And I think that's all I got from the collection, and I also got their lip liners. I will link everything down below that I got. I am back and my eyes are done with the lashes. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. Looks pretty good. I love it. I love the inner corner. It's so bright. I'm going to start off with the oil, and it retails for $10. It is hydrating ultra light primer oil that delivers a radiant glow and dewy skin. So hopefully it's not too oily. It's lightweight supposedly. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in the back of my hand and just start applying it. It smells good, but it's not too overpowering. My skin is more of a combination, so hopefully it doesn't make me look all oily. The foundation that I'm using is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, and I'm using that in the shade 640 Malta. I'm just drying my face a little bit. It feels good. It feels really hydrating. I'm gonna put a little bit of the foundation here. And I'm using my blender from Beauty Bakery. It's not too wet, but I'm gonna start applying the foundation just so you guys can see what the foundation looks like on top of the primer. With this primer, my foundation looks more sheared out, I feel like. It's not full on coverage, and this foundation is full on coverage, but I feel like the primer made it more lightweight. Maybe the consistency. Next time I'm going to probably let it dry a little bit more. But I mean, the foundation still covered everything. And now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna use the shade Tropicana, the purple. I'm gonna use that first. And then I'll use the dark blue. Oh, that's pretty. Let me wipe all the fallout. And then I'm going to take an angled brush for the dark blue in the shade Royal. This palette is very pigmented, but obviously you're gonna get a lot of fallout, so that's my only issue with this palette. I mean, I love it. I love the colors. I'm just going to take a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. Now for lip liner, I have the set that came with 4 lip liners and a gloss. So this is a set right there, and it was only $10. $10, I believe. Let me look it up. So this set is $10. It's the Line and Shine Lip Kit. And I am going to use the darkest brown. This one here. So this was in the shade 2, I believe, or 3 of the nudes. For lipstick, I'm going to take the e.l.f. lipstick that I used last time in the shade Creme. Okay, so this is the final look right here. I am obsessed with the blue. Look at that. I give the eyeshadow palette a B just because of the fallout that it did have. And then the primer, I give it a B as well. I didn't really love it. It's just very oily for my skin type right now. My skin type right now is very combination, so I think that made my foundation slide around a lot. Right now in the summer, I like to wear more of a pore minimizing primer just because I do get very oily in the T-zone, so that is why I didn't enjoy it as much. And the lip liners, I do give an A. They're really good. I do recommend the lip liners. I don't know about this color because I'm not gonna get a use out of it. And then the gloss is an A. I've used their glosses before and they're really good. I just wanted to keep my lips matte right now. And they are very creamy because the formula of the lipstick is creamy. It's not too matte. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!